Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. You can see this black color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near the previous day's price closing, but we expected the price to open somewhere around 5100. Due to the rupee value, the price opened lower. So what we expected yesterday was that we had identified that this 5100 and 120 was acting as a very good resistance. So unless until the price breaks this, the price is expected, that is crude oil price is expected to stay down. That was our expectation, and we had made it clear with our explanation on the previous day and yesterday also. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, you can see the price dropped down. See, all the candlestick represents 1 hour. This is the 1 hour candlestick which I am showing. So you can see after the price opening, the market dropped down and came near the previous day low. If you see, the previous day low was approximately around 5070, exactly where the price took some support and tried to give a bounce back and enter into the key zone of 5100. But it couldn't sustain, again came down and broke this key, the previous day's low, and again we know that 5060 is a great support. So we had identified these two zones, 5060, and it is a struggle between 5060 and 5100. Within this is the two zone where the price is moving sideways to find its clear direction. So it took some support, gave a clear bounce back and created a new intraday high, tried to enter this 5100 zone but couldn't sustain. Then you can see the big drop. The price came down, broke this 5060, so that was a crack. The price broke this 5060, came down, but again it couldn't sustain or stay below that and close near 5060. So this is the bad news. So the good part is that the price didn't enter this 5100 zone, or the price stayed below the previous day's price action, that is previous day's high. So the good part is the price stayed below the previous day high and it closed below the previous day's price closing and yesterday's price opening. But if you see the entire price action, again the price had provided a bounce back. So you saw that on 18th, whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. You can see the price dropped a bit and then a complete recovery. It provided a complete recovery. But what happened yesterday, the price stopped here. On seeing the Mcx price action, we can say today the price can open near 5060s. So this is the another bad news for sellers, because if there is any possibility the price stays above 5060, then again there you can see a consolidation like what happened on 18th. The price will be consolidating and still we can say, the sellers can say, you are not out of danger. If you have that practice of watching international prices, Mcx prices, you can well go and see the price is struggling to stay below $92.2. So it is a great struggle for the price to stay below $92.2. It is always, after coming down, it is giving a bounce back. So that is very dangerous for crude oil, because crude is not like other commodities. So within a fraction of a second it can show a complete reversal like what happened on 18. We should be very much careful with that. So the part is that on seeing the yesterday's price action, we can say it was dominated by the sellers. So it went up with our expectation, but still it is not completed. So we need the price to stay strong below 5060. So many times we had seen in crude market these types of bounce back. So just a warning, always be careful with these stones and always place your stops. So today also we are going to follow the same strategy which we followed yesterday. So unless until the price breaks this key resistance, we expect the price to stay down. All depends upon how the price is going to react today. Today we don't have much major news to impact the price also. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Be careful, don't be overconfident, follow the price action unless until we need a clear price closing below 5060, but we don't want any price closing within this zone. That indicates that still there is some room for buyers. If the price should break 5060, and it should come down and close below, so that you can expect the market to test this 5000 zone again. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.